What's happening, guys? Welcome back to Quarantine Cooks. Today we're going to be doing up some chocolate fudge brownies served with a raspberry coulis. To start with, we're going to combine caster sugar, brown sugar, a light drizzle of olive oil and melted butter into a stand mixer bowl. After creaming these together, we're going to throw in our eggs and squeeze vanilla paste, mixing further until the mixture is lightened in colour. Once homogeneous, we're going to add our flour and cocoa powder and gently fold it into the rest of the mixture. Instead of chocolate, today I'm going to be using a crushed up Easter egg, but any chocolate roughly chopped into chunks will work for this recipe. Mix all this together and then scoop it into a grease-lined baking dish, spreading evenly. Tap the dish onto a solid surface a few times to remove any air bubbles and then stick it in the oven at 180 degrees for 25 to 35 minutes or until the top is crispy and a knife poked in the centre comes out gooey and hot. Remove it from the oven and let it cool for about an hour just so it doesn't melt everywhere while you cut it. Meanwhile, to make our raspberry coulis, we're going to add raspberries, white sugar and a few drops of lemon juice to a pan which we can heat on low. Once a chunky syrup is formed, crush any remaining raspberries and strain it through a sieve into a bowl. Plate up and serve with a dusting of icing sugar and a couple of fresh mint leaves. And there we go, gooey, fudgy and rich chocolate brownies served with a sweet, tangy raspberry coulis. As always, a gigantic thank you to Reece for the tune used in the video. His links will be down in the description, along with the exact amounts of ingredients used in today's video. Big ol' thanks for watching, feel free to like and subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next episode of Quarantine Cooks.